Today we are going to discuss one new topic, which is master detail relationship. So what is the master detail relationship? Master detail relationship means it will be fetch the data master and detail report based upon the common column within the single page. See here, this is the here we have a two lists. Okay, this is the list one and list two. Okay, this is the detail report, and these fields are master table. Okay, so it will be fetch the data based upon the common column within the single page. That is called as a master detail relationship. For example, I am showing the data how in Excel. See here, the first sheet 1, see how many records are there, 1 to 10. And second sheet, here we have 1 to 12. Okay, 12 records are there. Only 2 records are extra in the second sheet, okay, which are not common. And the what was the common column is actress ID. Here also actress ID. Okay, so the same data I am using in the report. For the 4 field, I am using the from sheet 1, and these fields are I am using the sheet 2. Okay, here I am uh, using the master detail relationship. I will show you how I am using. Let me run the report first, how it will be work. The output, see here, they're having some data. The actress ID 1 Priyanka, and she had acted 2 films, which was Bajranga Mastani and the second film. Okay, these are the total movies are Priyanka and Deepika having only one movie, and Alia having only one movie. This is the detail report, means it will be showing the detailed description regarding to the master tape. That is the main scenario. Okay, I will show you how I have did the master detail relationship from the scratch, so you will be easily understand. So for this, just I am creating another new report. Okay, in the master detail relationship, they're having another 2 options extra, so I will also explain that 2 options. Let me take that uh, data module. I have already built that data module, which was master details. I will provide that Excel sheet in the video description, so there is no issue. And coming to this, just I am taking one list. Okay, for the list one, I am taking these fields, and I am taking another list. Okay, within the list, I'm assigning the query to. Let me take the sheet. Here I am adding. Sorry, let me click this. And I am adding the actress ID, movies ID, movies title, year of release, box office collection. Here, let me run the report. How the data. Now we got the entire the data. Okay. Let me, and also sorting ascending. Here also I am sorting as a ascending. See, actually Priyanka, her actress ID was 1. We want only matched records. Okay, but here see, the Priyanka ID is 1. We need to only one ID which was related to Priyanka, but we got entire the records 1 to 12, which is not our requirement. Okay, for this, what we need to do, we need to apply the master detail relationship. Let me go and click on that inside the list. So here in the right side, you can see the master detail relationship. Click on that and apply the join. Okay, so here the common column was actress ID, so that's why I am make a join for that. Let me run the report now, how it was in a HTML only. See, now we got the as per the user requirement. See, the Priyanka one, she has only two movies, one and one, and the two movies are 2015 and the gross collection, and Deepika having one movie only, and Alia Bhatt having two movies, and Karina having two movies. See, we got the detailed information. Let me let me do one more thing. We will also apply the total. Okay, then we know uh, how she has collected the entire the box office gross sales. Let me here page preview. See, now we got na she has overall total 210. Okay, this is the detailed information. Okay, uh, the base, this was the master table, and this was the detailed information, that is called as a master details. Here you can see master and details. Master means this is the master table. Okay, this is the detailed information. Okay, based upon the common column we get the detailed information from the master table. That is called as a master detail relationship. uh, and also I'm going to explain another thing here. The master detail is nothing but inner join. Okay, the same data I have create another report. This is not our requirement, but just I want to explain to you. So same it has a inner join. I have already built one report by using the same data. Okay, see, I have here I have created two queries. Okay, the query one, actress id, same fields, I have take the same fields, and two queries. Okay, just what I have did, I take a join. Okay, what join, that was the eq join, nothing but inner join. Okay, just I am giving the common column. So just I want to check this data and the master detailed relationship data both are same or not. Okay, so I am going to the page. Here I am adding the one list, and let me group by, let me do group by. Okay, just I am applying the query on the list, third query, which was join query. Let me check how the data was here. It should be 10 records. See, here we got only 10 records, which was Priyanka having two. Let me do group by the name as well, so we'll easily understand. Okay, see, here same we got na Priyanka having a two IDs. Here also we got Deepika, Alia, we got the 10 records here. Okay, if you go in that master detail relationship also, if you see, we got only 10 records only. See here, that means master detail is nothing but as an inner join. Okay, just we are our understanding purpose only I am explaining. Okay, so it is not any more requirement, just I am explaining. Like the master detail is nothing but is a inner join. But why we take the detail relationship instead of the join? Why? Because if you see here in the joins, right, in the join report, right, here we used three queries. Okay, instead of here we use the three queries, but in our master data relationship we have used only two queries only. Okay, so if here what happened, I am using an extra query, right? So it will impact on the report performance, like it will take more time compared to the master detail relationship. Okay, that is the main thing. We are not using this. Okay, and also one more thing, we have a option, right? The master detail relationship option, right? That's why we are mostly prefer this master detail relationship option. Okay, just I am explaining the join for our understand purpose only. Okay, and one more thing, here in the master detail relationship we have another two options also there. See, here click on that any field and go to the section tab. Okay, here see what are the option. Section using master detail relationship, set page break using master detail relationship. So now we will see when we are using these two options. First, I am explaining set page break using master detail relationship. For this, I am creating another new report. Okay, master detail relationship. Here I am taking the one list. Mm, Another, I'm taking the here you can take a list or crash tab or visualization as your wish, but I am taking another also one list report. I'm taking the separate, okay? Happen list one, something else. Here I am taking the two list, okay? The same fields I am adding for the first list. For the first list, I am adding these fields, okay? And for the second list, I am adding these fields. First, I am adding the movie's ID, movie's title, and the year of release, and the box office closure. Here, like, what was that option was set page break using master detail relationship. That means it will be get the data page wise. Okay. For example, here what happened in the first report, right? Our first report, we got the single page entire the information. If I am using right set page break master details, then we got this first one id will get one page, okay? The second id will get second page, third id we will get third page. That is the use of that option. So let me go to apply that option. Okay, see here. Okay, before you are going to using that option, see here, if you click on that below cross tab, see here the master detail relationship is unavailable. Okay, let me check this list as well. See here, this is also showing the same thing. So how we can apply the master detail relationship? So for that, first we need to go to the apply the set page break master detail relationship. Okay, so here what happened, uh, every list should assume I am the master. So that's why we are not able to see master detail relationship. If I am click any one of that specific list and apply that set page break master details, right? Then what happened? This is the master table now. Okay, this is the master. See here, now it was defined. And coming to the next list, see, now you are able to see the master detail relationship. Let me check what was that common column. Here if you like select the entire the list, see now the master detail relationship has enabled. Why? Because here we assigned the set page break as a master details. That's why we got enabled the master detail option. Okay, then what we need to do, click on that and give to the master detail relationship based upon the common column. Then only we will get the data page wise. Okay na, let me run the report. Okay, let me run the report in the html. So each id should be displayed in the single page. Okay, as I explained earlier, right? See here, for only Deepika we got one page. Okay, then Alia Bhatt, what sorry, Karina, see here we got the Karina another page. Okay, so if what this situation when it will happen, if user asks, the detailed information should be single page, then we need to prefer the set page break using the master detail relationship. Okay, every page we will get, okay, individual data. Okay, see, this is the use of that option. Okay, so what is the another option here? Section using master details. For this I am creating another new report. Okay, why? Because if I am explaining in the this list report itself, right, it will take confusion. That's why I am taking another report. Okay, it is taking time, but it will be easy, right? I'm taking the master detail relationship. Here just I am taking the list report as earlier we take, right. So address ID, name, age, nationality. Here what we can do, earlier I told, right, here we can take list or the crash tab or visualization. Just I am taking the crash tab. Okay, within the list just I am assigning the query. Here I am giving that rows as a actress ID. Okay, and the movies ID. Me movies ID, let me paste here. Okay, then movies title and movies release date, and the measure column should be here. Okay, so this is the another requirement. Just I am relabeling this as a detailed report. Okay, detail detailed report. Okay, this is our master table, and this is our detailed report. Okay, and here let me assign the common column. Let me give the join. Okay, both of this data. Here we got the join. So now what is our the main concept is section using master details. For this just I am doing the uh, address ID. Let me also giving the ascending order for these fields, these and these also. Okay, okay, fine. Let me do that option. What was that? Section using master details. What happened now? We got the data section wise within the single page. That is the only thing. There is no much more. Let me run the report. We got the data within the single page section wise, like the Deepika ID actress one section. See output. You will be easy to understand. See, for this for two Deepika having a one section. Okay, and the four, which is Karina, having another section. The five at least another section. Okay, and the eight, it was another section, right? The data will be got section wise. Okay, if you are using this option, you will get the data section wise. If you see in the option option also mentioned the same thing. What was that section? That means it will be show the data single page section wise. That is the only use of this use option. That is the only thing, friends. We using this here also. You can use crash tab or a visualization also. You can use whatever you your wish. You can also use. Just I am showing for the list and crash tab. You can also practice, and also I will add the description for this Excel sheet for your practice. Okay, friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.